Hey, welcome back to ShubHCode. Today's tip is about SOQL. If you're writing separate SOQL queries to get parent data and then child data, you're using twice the governor limits you need to. Let me show you how to get both in a single query. Let's jump straight into it. Here's a pattern I see all the time in Apex code reviews. A developer queries account records. Then they loop through the results and query the related contacts for each account separately. That's a SOQL query inside a loop, which is a governor limit nightmare. The moment you've got more than 100 accounts, you're hitting the 101 SOQL query limit and getting runtime exceptions in production. There's a much better way. Here's the syntax. In your outer SOQL query for accounts, you add an inner select inside parentheses for contacts. It looks like this. Select ID, name, open parenthesis select ID, first name, email from contacts close parenthesis from account where. That inner part is your subquery. Salesforce executes both as a single database call, one governor limit count, one round trip. When you iterate in Apex, you access the contacts through account.contacts. It's already populated as a list. A few things to watch out for. First, subqueries only work for child-to-parent relationships defined in Salesforce. You can't just put any object in there. Second, you can have up to 20 subqueries in a single SOQL statement, but realistically keep it to 3 or 4 for readability. Third, if no child records exist, the relationship field returns null in Apex, not an empty list, so always null check before iterating. And fourth, in SOQL in Apex, the child relationship list comes back as a list type, not a query locator. This matters if you're doing pagination. Here's the bottom line. Use SOQL subqueries to get parent and child data in a single query. Never query inside a loop. Check the official Salesforce documentation. Link is in the description. If this helped you, smash that like button. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe to ShubHCode for a new Salesforce tip every day. See you tomorrow.